Now let us see the VB program to design the simple calculator so that we can perform the simple operations. So this is my IDE and this is the label what I have already taken. So let me show you once again. So this label will work as our display. Okay, so the name of the label is label 1. I'm keeping it same like that only, but you can change it like LBL display. Okay, the caption we need to keep it blank. Now I want the 10 buttons, so I'll take one command button, drag it onto the form, and the same here. Throughout this program I'm not going to change the name of any of the tool what I am using. If you want you can change that one. Okay, so only thing what I am doing is I'm just changing the captions. So caption here I'll take it as 0. Okay, now because I wanted 10 buttons which will perform the same operation, so instead of taking different buttons I'll just create the control array. Now if you want to create the control array, you need to just copy and paste the button. So here you just click on copy and then start pasting it. The first time when you paste it, it is asking you to create the control array. So here you need to say yes. Okay, so already I have 2 buttons. 10 times I want, 10 button I want, so 10 times I'll do it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, then simply drag it. Alignment you can do it as per your requirement. Here I am doing it. So all my 10 buttons are here on the form. The only thing what I'll do here is to change the captions. So I'll just click on the buttons and change the caption. Okay, after doing this I want certain operations to be performed, so I'll take all the other buttons. So everything is command button only. So here the button will be this will be the plus. Now let me change the caption of this command button too. So here I am not able to see the property window. So go to view and click on property window. Okay. So here you can put any of the basic operation, the arithmetic operation. So I will put here multiplication symbol. Okay. Similarly, you have to take the other buttons also. Remember here we are not going to copy anything, as each and every button is going to perform the different operation. Okay. So I'm changing the caption, division I'll place. See the alignment of this button, you can do it by yourself. This is just a demo. So I'm focusing only on the how to design this one. Okay. Just clear the caption and make it as plus symbol. Then two more buttons I want. For one will be for C, that means clear, and another one is for the dot. Make it as dot. Okay, apart from this I want one more button, that is equal to this one. Okay, so that's all with our design. So I'll make it a little attractive by simply making a little bit of changes here. So like this you can place the buttons as per your requirement. So I have done this. This will be my display screen. Okay, so this is all about our designing. Okay, now let us see about the coding part. So as I have told you, the coding can be done simply. You can go to the code window by double clicking on the command button on or anywhere onto the form, or just click on the code, view code option in the project explorer. Okay, so I'll just double click on the form. So this is my code window. So before writing the code I need to declare the variables. So go to the topmost part, just take your pointer at the top of your code window, and here you can write dim Now here you can see that here this VB is not case sensitive. Okay, then I want two more variables. Okay, so these are the variables what I wanted. Okay, then in this form load, whenever I'm loading the form, I want the equal button to be disabled. So now here the name of my equal button, the name of this one is command 8. So I should write here command 8 dot enabled equals to false. Okay, then comes to the digit. Okay, so I want digit. So here I'll not understand that. This is the reason why we need to change the name of the command buttons or the tools, whatever we are using. Okay, so now when I'm writing the code for the digit, as we have created the control array, you can click on any one of the numbers 0 to 9 and write the code. Okay, so here you can see in the bracket it is index as integer, which means here we have created the array. If clear disk equals to true, then label1 dot caption equals to blank. That means the display will go blank. Clear disk equals to false. End if. This if is indicating end of the if statement. Then label 1, it should be label1 dot caption equals to label1 dot caption plus Now the digits is nothing but the command 1. Okay, command 1 of the index. Okay, so I have, because I have not changed the name of any of the command buttons, so I'm writing command 1, command 2 only. Okay, so but when you change the name of these buttons, you should use the same thing. Okay, so I have given this, then writing the code for the dot button. Just double click on the dot, it will directly take you to that particular point. Clear disk equals to true, then label 1 dot caption equals to clear, and if already I have explained why we are using instr. Okay, this is a function which is going to just combine the dot with the previous content. Exit sum, else, so here I am going to append whatever the content is there I'm sorry, whatever the content is there on the display, followed by the dot. Okay, then end if to indicate end of if. That's all for the dot button. Then for the clear button, label 1 dot caption equals to blank. Only one line code here. So the coding for this digits, clear and dot button has been done. Now coming to the operations. Here I am writing code for performing the multiplication operation. So let me accept the first input first. BR1 equals to value of label 1 dot caption operator is equals to, here it is, the operator is multiplication. Okay, then once we are giving the operator, the screen should go blank. That's why label 1 dot caption equals to blank. Now because one value is there on the screen, so we can enable the equal to symbol. The equal to symbol name is command 8. So I'll write here command 8 dot enabled equals to true. Okay, so now I'm going to copy this code for all the other things, that means other operations. Only thing is I need to change the operation. Okay, so we have done with addition, subtraction. There are two do subtraction, I'll make it as division and multiplication. Yes, it is done. Now let us write the code for the last button, that is equal to. Now here we will accept the second value, OPER2 equals to value of label 1 dot caption here we'll check if operator equals to, if operator is plus symbol, then result, this is the variable what we have taken, result equals to sum of operator 1 comma operator 2. Okay, then I'll copy paste this line. So only thing what I have to do is change the symbols and the function. Okay, so here I'll take some difference. Here I'll take MUL and this is division. Okay, next I need to display the result. I'm sorry, label 1 dot caption equals to result. Okay, then we are going to clear the display. Once we have displayed the result, the equal to button should go disable again. That's why I'm writing equals to false. Then exit sub. That's all with the coding. Now remember, here I'm using the functions. Okay, so this is the function call, so I should write the function also. So now to write the function, you should go to I'm sorry, you should go to tools, add procedure. Okay, here you should write the function name. Now here I am taking sum, that means here you are not supposed to take the function name anything different. So I'll write the same thing as sum. Okay, and its type is function type and the scope will be private. Okay, then you just click on OK. So here you are having, so in this one you have to give the parameters x as double comma y as double. Okay, and what we are going to perform the operation, it is sum equals to x plus y. Okay, same thing we have to do for the other operations also. So once again I'll take difference, it's a function and scope is private. Click on OK. I'll just copy it. Okay, so here it will be difference equals to x minus y Once again for multiplication was MUL. Okay. So I'm just changing the symbols. As I have already given the explanation in the previous class, so I'm not giving that much explanation here. So it was PROD, I guess. No, MUL and division, sorry. So what I'll do here is MUL I'll take, and then one more for the division purpose. Was minute division. It's a function type and a public scope again. So this is all about our coding. So that's all with our code. You just close the code window and start the execution. Okay. So for executing the program, you have to just click on this button, play button or start button. So this is your output window. Let us see whether it is going to display the numbers or no. Yes, as you can see, the numbers are being displayed. Okay, clear button will clear the screen. So let me perform the operation. 3 plus 6 equals to 9. Yes. Then clear. 2 minus 3 minus 1. Yes, it is working. 6 multiplied by 9, 54. Clear. 8 divided by 2. So here you can see we are able to perform all the basic arithmetic operations. Okay, let me work with the decimal values also. 1.5 plus 3, for example, 4.5. Yes, so this is the way in which your basic calculator design in VB will work like. Hope you have understood this one. Thank you.